What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog-ish video. I don't know what's going on, but Joe told me I needed to come help him with something on the car. So here we are, making our way back then. Joe, what are you doing?
Car's broke.
What do you mean?
I broke it.
How?
No press pedal.
Oh.
Insurance I sound very good. We're gonna take the engine out. Don't laugh at my misfortunes.
How does that make you feel?
It makes me feel pretty down.
Well, maybe everybody in the comments make you feel better, Joe, but until then, stop being a let's pull the motor out.
Fine.
Here we go. So here it is, got the bumper removed, AC compressor's out, exhaust is off,
Coolant's draining.
coolant's draining, shifter cable's disconnected, axle's undone. Not much left we have to do.
You went too far forward. Or maybe I went too far back.
Or maybe I did go too far forward.
I ain't going nowhere. Hey, Colin. This is very exciting.
Yeah. It's taking longer than an hour, that's for sure.
Hey, you know, once the coolant was drained.
You lied to me.
I did. No, I said I was hoping for an hour or less. No coolant, and it was shipped. For sure.
There's something wrong with me, psychologically. There it is. How do you feel, Joe?
I liked it better when it was in the car and the clutch was working. But you know, this is still an adventure.
Right?
It's a little dirty. It'll give me some time to do some fun things with it, like cleaning and
E85.
E85.
Bigger injectors.
Flex fuel sensor. Run some corn through it.
Sad thing is, this motor fits better than the factory drivetrain.
Actually, it is a little bit easier.
But yeah.
So this was a time-consuming effort right here. Most people do soft hoses over the engine.
Oh, and you got custom pipes made?
Yeah, I didn't like the idea of soft hoses flopping around in there. But that took a while to get those all fit
Look
up.
at that adapter plate, that thing's beastly.
Right, it's hollow. So we'll pull it apart soon and we'll see inside.
Well, found the culprit.
Pressure plate. Spring fingers
You
collapsed.
see all those fingers are not level. So that's why the clutch was dropping to the floor. Look at that thing.
It's a nice finished flywheel, huh?
Yeah, and then everything else looks okay, so at least you know the problem now.
Well, there is a smoking gun. I feel good about that.
Yeah.
Obviously, you know.
Instead of pulling it apart.
It's an expensive smoking gun, but what are you gonna do?
Oh, yeah, look at your clutch. Look at that. Ooh, that's a warranty claim right there, buddy.
Is it?
Yeah, look, complete failure.
Oh yeah. So it heated up.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's why your springs are oblong, because that pressure plate isn't pushing all the way.
Make sure I put that in.
So right here,
Flywheel side.
flywheel side.
And that was on the flywheel, right?
Yeah. In German, it's "Get box yet."
Yeah.
Do better, spec.
That's crazy.
It's because you're putting all that horsepower in. Wait till you go E85 there, bud.
Well, this one's rated for that. In theory.
Yeah, even your friction plate is like.
Yeah.
Also, too, Blue Point. Okay,
Blueprint.
Blueprint. That's what I said. Taking the tools. Brand new crate engine. How many miles are on this?
8,000.
And valve covers are puking. Look at that.
I've been puking for quite a while.
So we figured it out. We had this little metal piece sitting here on this clutch. We couldn't figure out where it came from. So
Where's your light?
I put it back in my toolbox.
Right here.
But right there, that's supposed to be a metal bridge between his fingers. And then if you look, it's supposed to look like that. So.
Yeah, this clutch is rated, spec stage 2 plus, rated somewhere around 540 foot-pounds. This blueprint engine is about 500 foot-pounds, but we're at high altitude, so it's probably never made over 450 foot-pounds. Guessing, can't say for sure.
And also too, destroyed pilot bearing. Like it's super gritty, you can't really hear it or see it, but it's no bueno. But that's better than taking it's better than taking all this apart and finding out that everything looks good. Because we already messed with everything on the hydraulic side. And we also even made sure that the shift fork, not really a shift fork, but throwout arm wasn't cracked or broken or bent, and it's fine.
Well, bearing still spins pretty freely.
Yeah. And we made sure this input shaft isn't bent, but I think it's just excess pressure from the pressure plate being crooked. Nobody's given us a suggestion on what they think the car should be.
We already know what it's going to be.
What was that? Time attack?
A racing drift car.
A racing drift car.
Yes. It's the most best option.
Most best.
Well, first we'll put a new clutch on that.
Yeah. But that'll be cooler. That'll be the coolest. That's all we got for this episode. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the fix of this. And then we're also going to be doing bigger injectors, E85. And I forgot what else. Wrapping the manifolds. So stay tuned. See you guys.